How's it going, guys? Welcome again to my channel. My name is Alex Pizarro, and today we're going to talk about the newest firmware update 1.16 on the DJI Fly app, and this is going to be for my Mavic Air 2. So currently this update is the one that I have is for my iOS. So for Androids, I've seen the interface with the new look that it has more options, other things that we don't get on iOS. So I don't understand as to why. It's something that DJI needs to put another update or what's going on. But currently I don't have what others do, which is basically the obstacle avoidance feature that goes like either stops in front of you or goes around the subject. So I don't have that feature yet on my Mavic Air 2. However, I definitely wanted to test out the gimbal speed settings. Alright guys, so one of the features things that you see here is on the main screen. It's basically, again, the percentage of battery. So currently it tells you on the top that at 49%. So when you tap on it, you'll definitely see until return home, till forced landing, and until battery depleted. Okay, so those are some of the features that it definitely has. What I'm definitely excited about is when we click here, take that off. When we click here, we definitely see under control, advanced gimbal settings, favorite. So pitch speed, we definitely have normal mode, definitely have pitch smoothness, and then we have the yaw speed. Now, what is yaw speed or WAW? I mean YAW. So that basically is just tilting the gimbal from horizontally from one end to the other like this, instead of tilting it up and down. Okay. All right, guys. So basically, let's go take this outside. The fan stopped, so I just turned it off because I'm going to take it out there, and then we're going to test it out right now. So we're at 74%. So let's see how this does. Okay, the return to home has been updated, and let's go ahead and take off. It's currently on my backyard. I want to make sure that everything is on before I take off. Okay, and here we go.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
That's just verifying to me that it is working. Okay, so here I go all the way up. Okay, and we are going to test out the gimbal speeds here. So give it just a moment. Okay, so there we go. Let's see what we have. Okay, I'm losing some signal. Okay, so let's go to the controls. Okay, and we're gonna go to advanced gimbal settings. Oops, that's the wrong screen. Let me go back. Okay, so I want to try this on normal mode first, and I'm gonna show you guys when it comes to the normal speed. I'm gonna put that to 1, and then I'm gonna go and grab the rotator that's on my left hand on the bottom. So I'm just going to rotate that all the way, and that's how fast it's going. Oh, I do miss that so much. It's very smooth at 1 speed. Very, very smooth. And so that's definitely what I was hoping DJI would give us. It's just that control of the gimbal. Okay, let's see what it looks like at... Let's go all the way to 50. See what that does. Okay, so now I'm at 50, and let's go scroll all the way down. That's the speed. Okay, gonna go all the way up. We do have upward a higher degree as far as tilting up, and basically that's it. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring that down a little bit more, maybe around 10, and just leave it at that. Okay, so there's definitely other modes I definitely want to try out. That's what 10. I'm trying to just test it out on 10. Okay, so I'm gonna switch the mode to tripod mode. Okay, see if that makes any difference. Let's go ahead and see if I do 31. Just curious. Okay, pretty much kind of the same thing. Okay, I'm not gonna test the yaw speed. Okay, I'm gonna hit sport mode. And I know the gimbal does tilt when it gets ready for sport mode. And let me do speed. Let me do one on sport mode and just take off. So here we go. Oh, let me go backwards really quick. Let's see what that does. Okay. And let me go forward. Now I'm going to tilt up the gimbal at the same time. Smooth. Oh man, that is so smooth. I love that. So as I go forward or backwards and then just play with the gimbal all the way through at one speed on sport mode, it does the job very well. So I'm definitely happy about that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take it back home because I think that's pretty much enough for what I needed to do. So there you go, guys. I just wanted to go ahead and test it out so that way you guys can see the speed variations. I know some people like to see the yaw speed. I actually, like I said earlier, it's just something that I don't see me using a lot of. It's mostly just the speed of tilting up and down, and I think that's something that's going to benefit me when I go ahead and out and fly my drone. So there you have it. That's about it. Now this Mavic Air 2, my Mavic Air 2, if you guys definitely want to see more things that you want me to do, like other tests that you want me to perform, I'd be more than happy to do so. Just leave me in the comment below what you guys want to see, and I'll be more than happy to be able to post it out there. I definitely want to go ahead and on my next video, I'll definitely talk about the type of micro SD cards that you actually benefited me into getting 4K 60 without any reduced speeds when it comes to read or write. And that's coming up. That's basically all I have for today, and I'm just so happy that I got to test out the gimbal like this, and it just brings a lot more creativity for us video makers or filmmakers. So guys, there it is. That's it. You guys have any other questions, please leave them in the comment below what you guys want to see next out of the Mavic Air 2, and I'll be more than happy to hear your suggestions. All right, and guys, don't forget to stay creative out there. Please support me on my channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.